Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear cache in Brave browser. Clearing your browser cache can help fix loading problems, improve performance, and ensure you're viewing the latest version of websites. First, open Brave browser on your computer. Next, click the menu icon in the top right corner and select Delete Browsing Data. A new window will appear. Make sure you're on the Basic tab. Here you'll find several options for clearing your browsing data. Check the box labeled Cached Images and Files. This option removes temporary files that websites store on your computer to speed up loading times. Next, choose a time range. If you want to remove all cached files, select All Time. You can also choose a shorter time period if you only want to clear recent cache. Finally, click the Delete Data button. Brave will remove the cached files, and the process usually takes just a few seconds depending on how much data is stored. That's it. You've successfully cleared the cache in Brave browser. This simple step can help solve website issues and improve your browsing experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Brave browser tutorials and tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.